Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Super Meat Boy 3D game crashing at startup, not launching, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues. The very first method is to check for Xbox update. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once it is updated, check if the game is launching or not. Next is to check for Super Meat Boy 3D update. So apart from the console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated, because the developers of the game releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch the game and check. Next is to check clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, first press the Xbox symbol on your controller, then move down to profile and system. Now select settings, then click on system, then click on console info. After that, select reset console and then select reset and keep my games and apps. And after that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system. Now click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space, and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to clear persistent storage. For that, this will help you to clear the cache data. Open settings, now choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Super Meat Boy 3D game. For that, press Xbox button on controller. Move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select the game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Super Meat Boy 3D official website and download the game, and then try to launch it and check. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.